Okay, everyone, we got a pretty simple one today. Softball season's right around the corner, and the last couple of trucks I had were higher end trucks, so they had like an easy open and an easy close tailgate. I throw my daughter's softball stuff in the back of the truck, and most of the time she beats me around and she's opening up the tailgate. Well, with the brand new truck, you open up the tailgate and it just wants to fall, right? And I don't want to hear my brand new truck tailgate smash down. As soon as I opened the tailgate, I did that. I dropped it. So I got on eBay and I bought this shock absorber here. Comes as a kit, and we're gonna bolt that on. So when I drop my tailgate, it won't do that. I can let go of it and it will slowly come down, and then it will also assist her if she needs to lift it. These tailgates are not super light. They are definitely lighter than what they used to be. But like I said, all my other trucks were spring assist, made it a lot easier lifting and closing. And I'm primarily doing this for my children and my mental help here, because if that thing slams down, all that's going to be going through my mind is this is a $50,000 truck and the tailgate just slammed. So for 25 bucks, it's going to be a lot easier on my mind. So we're going to get into it. They give you the Torx bit to take off this bolt here. We're going to do it on the driver's side, but they give you the Torx bit to take this bolt out. I'm going to use my own. It's kind of nice that they give you that. Not everybody has the correct size torque bit for that. And then you have to replace one bolt with this button head style Allen head bolt. So to clear the shock absorber coming down, I'll show you guys all that. But pretty simple. They give you a very, very basic man instructions here. Just a bunch of pictures. So very simple. We'll throw that right in the trash because even that I don't want. So let's get started. Okay, here we go. We're going to install. So this piece is going to go on here like this, okay? So we're going to loosen this bolt, and this bolt's going to get removed. It's a 10 millimeter, and we're just going to loosen this. And this one's going to get removed. Okay, that one gets removed. This one gets loosened up. And you're replacing the bolt you removed with this Allen head bolt right here. Okay? Tighten that. Oh, and these are 10 millimeter. Tighten that back up. The Allen head is a 5 millimeter. We'll tighten that up too now. Okay, you're done with that. So that part's finished. We'll go around and we'll remove the Torx bit. Okay, so now we're going to remove this and pull this out to install this piece. So that's a T47, or you can use the already supplied Allen wrench, which I'm not going to use, so chuck that in the trash. I am going to take this strap off real quick here. Just pull that tab out, lift it up. Lift the tailgate up as you do that and slide it down. Okay, and then you can install this, I believe, whichever way you want, but since this ram is that way, I'm going to install it with the ram part up. So like this will be the piece that comes in and out, and then you just kind of set it there and tap it on, and then twist it, pull it down to the lower one. I'll show you. That's pretty serious. Then just push it on. And there you go, it's on there. And then reconnect this, which is just lift up your tailgate, slide it on. There it is. Let me pick up all my tools and we'll show it to you in action. So I just tried to shut my tailgate and I found out that I have to take this off. And this is a spot for tie downs, I believe. This contacts the strut, so it won't shut the tailgate. But if I drop it, real nice. So I'm going to take this off now. It's just another Allen head. I lied. It was a T30 Allen or Torx bit. Okay, I ended up just sticking those Torx bolts back in there, just to keep the holes plugged. But so we'll lift this up and we'll show you. I don't think it makes it any easier to lift. I don't think it really assists you lifting it, but it really assists in the dropping of the tailgate. I really like that. That's super, super awesome. Gives me a lot of peace of mind that my tailgate isn't going to get slammed. For 25 bucks, I think that's a great investment, especially if you have kids or you're an idiot like me and you just drop your tailgate. So, thank you for watching and stay tuned.